Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with class 11 syllabus and this video is going to be helpful in two ways. Number one, it will take you through your entire 11th and probably your 12th class also next year in short topics of about 5-10 minutes each. In case I cannot help it, then obviously I'll extend the duration. Second, if you want, you can take notes. I will hint you where you should start writing, but if you want, you can take notes and then that will really be helpful. So let us begin with the first topic of your course, which is measurement. Let us quickly write its definition first and then we will talk about other things. So the measurement is the process in which we convert the magnitude of a physical quantity in numbers, in numeric values. So what is measurement? Measurement is the process using which a physical quantity or the magnitude of a physical quantity can be expressed in numerical value. Let us try and understand what does this mean. For example, we went to market to buy a bag of rice. Now it contains rice. There will be some mass of that rice contained in the bag. So that mass is nothing but a physical quantity. There are many more physical quantities such as length, time, speed. I'm sure you have heard about them or studied about them in previous classes. But the minute we start converting it into the value, for example, if someone asks how much rice, then obviously I cannot say, okay, some mass of rice. I have to assign some value to it. So I say 5 kg of rice. What I did, there is a quantity, a physical quantity which is mass, and I converted it into numerical value. So when I convert a quantity into numerical value, it is known as measurement. Clear? So measurement is the process using which the magnitude of a physical quantity is converted into numerical value. Now comes the second question, which is how does measurement happen? Just where you have written measurement, just below it write this, that in order to do measurement, we need number A, a unit, and number B, a numerical value or a number. Alright? So what is a unit? This is going to be interesting. You must have heard kilogram as a unit of mass. You must have heard meter as the unit of length. But then are only these two possible or there are other possible? So unit is, pay attention, a randomly chosen, well-defined quantity. So the first word is randomly chosen. I can take anything to be my unit. For example, I wish to measure this board. I don't have any scale. Let me say this marker is 1 unit of length. So I am saying that unit is a marker length. Now if I am taking marker length to be the unit, observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. Now no matter who uses this, every time they will take a marker, this will be about 9.5 marker length. So this is first. Unit can be anything. You can take anything to be a unit. A marker length, your hand, your palm, anything can be a unit. Second is it should be well defined. Now please consider this. This is something which you can do at home also. Suppose I am going to take the length of the palm as 1 unit and I'll start measuring this board. You can measure table if you. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the question is, if I'll ask someone else to do it using their own palm, will it be 9 length, 9 palm length? Not necessarily, right? So while a palm length is a randomly chosen unit, it is not well defined because it contains different meaning for different people. So the first thing is randomly chosen. It can be anything. You can select it in the manner you want, but it should also be well defined. It means it should convey the same meaning for everyone. Such quantity which follows both these criteria is considered as a unit. Clear? Now, second is number. Did you observe when I was using this marker, I repeated my marker length about 9.5 times to measure this complete board? So the number of times, this will become the definition. Please write this down. The number of times a unit is repeated in a measurement is known as the numerical value. So when I said 9.5 marker length was the unit, and this 9.5 is the number of times this unit is repeated, and that becomes the numerical value. So quickly, measurement is the method in which we convert a given physical quantity into numeric value. It uses two things, unit and numerical value. A unit can be anything, a randomly chosen quantity. As long as it is well defined, you can call it a unit. And the number value or numeric value is the number of times a unit is repeated. From here, we can reach a formula which is the measurement of a quantity or the value of quantity, mostly written as Q, can be written as a numeric value or number, mostly written as N, multiplied by unit, mostly written as U. So Q becomes equal to NU. This is it for today. Tomorrow we will talk about what all quantities are possible, what all units are there, is there any system, and how to proceed forward. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed your day.